And then he just went over there.
Oh, yeah.
Watch. Grizz! Sit! Grizz! Grizz, sit! Daddy.
Yeah.
I get it. Okay, Grizz.
Hey, Huey, you gotta get some shoes or boots on.
Grizz.
Shoes or boots?
Grizz, sit. Lie down. And...
You good.
What's my back right?
His favorite card.
Yes! We did it, Grizz!
Way to go.